Hello students, welcome back to Kevira Academy online study channel. Myself Ramasis Maurya, your mathematics teacher. In previous video, we discussed that how to factorize the sum of cubes or the difference of cube. In this video also, we are going to discuss same topic, but today we will discuss some different questions. In previous video, the question was directly in the form of sum of cube or difference of cube. But in this question, it is not directly in the form of sum of cubes or difference of cubes. So first of all, we will convert the question in the form of the sum of cubes or the difference of cube, and after that we can solve the question. So let us solve the question. You can see here a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube minus 8. This is the question. So now we will solve it. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube minus 8. As you can see, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. This is the whole cube of the a plus b, because you already know the formula that a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So this is the whole cube of a plus b, and 8 is the cube of 2. Now you can see that the question is in the form of difference of cube, and I have already told you the formula that x cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y x square plus xy plus y square. So now we will solve the question. A plus b whole cube minus 2 cube is equal to, in place of x we will put a plus b, so a plus b, and in place of y we will put 2. In second bracket it will be a plus b whole square and plus x means a plus b into 2, and in place of y square we will put 2 square. Now it will be a plus b minus 2, and in another bracket a plus b whole square. You can see here 2a plus 2b plus 4, or a plus b minus 2, this one a plus b whole square, and this one we can take common 2 here, so 2a plus b and plus 4. So this is the factor of this question. So first of all, we converted the question in the form of difference of cube, and after that we can solve the question. One another question you can see here that 2a cube plus 16b cube minus 5a minus 10b. This is not on any formula. So let us see how we will solve it. From this part, these two part, you can take common as 2. So it will be 2a cube plus, when we will take common, it will be 8b cube. From where we can take common minus 5, so it will be a plus 2b. Now you can see that this one we can change in the form of the sum of cube. So it will be 2 into a cube plus, in place of 8b cube we can put 2b whole cube, and here minus 5 a plus 2b. Now this is in the form of sum of cube. So formula it was already given. Now I will put it on the formula. For this one, a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b in one bracket, in another bracket a square minus ab plus b square. So here it will be a plus 2b, and other one x square means a square minus a into 2b and plus b cube means 2b whole cube, whole square, and here minus 5 a plus 2b. Now you can see that in both part a plus 2b is there. So you can take common a plus 2b, and here it will remain 2 into a square minus 2ab, and here it is plus 4b square, and it will remain here minus 5. If we want, we can multiply it. So it will be a plus 2b, and here 2a square minus 4ab plus 8b square minus 5. So these are the factor of 2a cube plus 16b cube minus 5a minus 10b. So this way we can solve the questions which is based on the sum of cubes or difference of cube. That's all. Thank you.